So now let's see how we can actually go ahead and use the node tool in Affinity. So over here on the left hand side, you can see that I can go ahead and let's say, for example, draw out let's see, a line right here. I can go ahead and increase out the size of the line as well. So if I were to actually go around over here onto the left hand side, you'll be able to see the node tool right here. So once you go ahead onto the node tool, you can use this tool to go ahead and change the points that you have right here in existing shape. You can also click on the middle to go ahead and add in another point, and then you can click and drag this out, as you can see right here, to add in a detail. You can go ahead and use the handles right here, like you can convert to smooth or smart right here, so that you can go ahead and add in a curve as well. So you can also click and drag this out to change out the curve right here, or you can click somewhere to go ahead and add in a point right here. You can even go ahead and select out the point and hit the delete button right here to delete out the node right here, just like this. So this is what you have. So apart from that, you can also go around over here and let's say, for example, draw out using the pen right here, and then you can go ahead and select out the node tool, click and drag this out right here, just like this. And what happens is that you can go ahead and change around the detail as you like right here for the line as well, even for the shapes that you have. Let's say, for example, if I were to go around over here and bring up the cloud right here, just like this, I can go ahead onto the node tool. And as I go around over here onto the node tool, you see that I cannot actually make changes to it directly. But first of all, what you need to do is convert it into curves. So once you do that, you can see that you can go ahead and make changes to the lines right here. You can click and drag it out right here and click somewhere to click and drag this out, or simply directly go ahead and drag this out right here. So that is simply how you can go ahead and utilize the node tool to go ahead and add in points or move up the existing lines that you have over here as well inside of Affinity. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.